If you've been on the lookout for a free AI coding assistant, you might have stumbled upon Codeium, but does it really measure up to the hype, or is it just another tool in an already crowded market? Let's dive in. Codeium positions itself as a free AI coding assistant designed to help developers write code faster and with fewer errors. At its core, it provides code suggestions and auto-completions across various programming languages, which can be a huge time saver. The user interface is clean and straightforward, making it relatively easy to integrate into your existing workflow. One of the standout features is its ability to adapt to your coding style over time, which means the more you use it, the better it gets at predicting what you need. It also claims to support multiple IDEs, which is a plus for developers who work across different environments. However, while it does offer a lot of promise, some users might find that it lacks the depth and nuance of more established tools. What feels a bit unclear is how well it handles less common programming languages or frameworks, as the documentation doesn't provide much insight into that. Overall, it seems to cater mainly to beginner to intermediate developers, but advanced users might find it lacking in certain areas. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, Codeium is completely free, which is a major draw for anyone just starting out or looking to save on costs. Its ability to learn from your coding habits over time is also impressive, making it feel more personalized. However, there are some frustrations to consider. For instance, the lack of comprehensive support for niche programming languages might leave some users wanting. Plus, while it's great for basic coding tasks, more complex projects could expose its limitations. Some users have also expressed concerns about the transparency of its algorithms. There's not a lot of information on how it generates its suggestions, which could be a red flag for those who prioritize security and trust. Ultimately, Codeium may not suit seasoned developers who need advanced features, but it could be a solid choice for novices. In conclusion, Codeium is definitely worth a try if you're looking for a free coding assistant, especially if you're just starting out. However, if you're an experienced developer seeking in-depth features, you might want to explore alternatives. Overall, it's a promising tool, but just be aware of its limitations.